Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys I made a delicious baked nacho dish. That's right, a delicious baked nacho dish. If you guys like nachos and you want to try some baked nachos, then this is the recipe for you guys. Let's go ahead and let's get into this video. Okay everyone, to make baked nachos, Cooking with TK way, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I am going to use, okay? So, we're making spicy nachos. So, here I have some spicy nacho chips. The kind that I am using are Doritos, and they are this bag of Doritos, the Tapatio spicy Doritos, and also I have mixed in some of the Flaming Hots with them. So these are the two bags, okay? So now I have cheese here. I have a mixture of taco cheese and mozzarella cheese in this bowl, and it's 2 bags of mozzarella and 1 bag of the taco cheese. Now you can use Kobe Jack or whatever cheese blend you like, but this is what I'm using today, okay? And I have some pico here, okay? The mild flavor pico you get from the store has the cilantro, the tomatoes, and the onions already pre-chopped, so that could cut out something. And here I have 1 small, medium onion chop, okay? 1 medium onion chop. I also have some jalapenos, okay? They came out the jar. And we're gonna use these to top our nachos with, baked nachos. Okay, of course, you're gonna need some lettuce. And you're gonna need some ground beef. Here I have lean ground beef. Okay, whatever ground beef you choose. But this is lean ground beef, less fat to drain. So that's why I have that. And you're gonna need just a dab of olive oil to go in the bottom of your skillet to saute your onions with. Now the seasonings that we're using we're using some black pepper. This is 2 tablespoons of black pepper. You're gonna need 1 packet of taco seasoning. It's according to how much you're making. For 2 pounds, I would say 1 pack of taco seasoning. Okay. Some garlic powder. Here I have 1 tablespoon and a half of garlic powder. And also I am using some Valentina seasoning. Now if you don't have Valentina seasoning, just get you a regular lime. The Valentina seasoning has a good lemon lime, like a lime flavor, and a good Mexican flavor to it, okay? So that's everything that we are going to use today for our ingredients. Also, you're gonna need some water, of course, for your taco seasoning packet, okay? So now, those are all the ingredients you're going to need. You're gonna need a pan to brown your ground beef in, okay? You can use a large skillet, whatever skillet you want to use. I'm just gonna use this Dutch oven. It's big enough for me. And I'm gonna need you to get you a pan, a flat pan. It can be square, a sheet pan, or whatever, just a flat pan, or whatever type of baking pan you choose. But baking pan is the best for you to bake your nachos in. And align it with aluminum foil. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started cooking. Okay everyone, so the first thing you need to do is just drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Enough to saute your onions in, okay? So go ahead and drop your onions over in your skillet and saute your onions for about 3 minutes, okay? Okay, so now The onions have sauteed up for about 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, You don't want to cook them all the way. You just want to soften them up because now our stove is heated up enough. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our ground beef. Push your onions to the side, okay? It's still going to be in there, but just push them to the side, okay? Go ahead and put your ground beef in, okay? And there were 2 ingredients that I left out, y'all. I'm sorry. And it was black beans, okay? Y'all excuse my grandbaby. Okay, so that's 1 can of black beans. And also some refried beans. I have them here. Get you a whole can of refried beans, okay? I'm so sorry I left that out, you guys. Okay, so go ahead and start mixing your onions and your ground beef together. And make sure you cook your ground beef completely all the way through until you see no pink meat in your ground beef. Okay, so next, after you have browned your ground beef, get ready to drain it. Here I have my straining bowl over another bowl to drain the ground beef. Please do not pour grease down your sink. It can mess up. Okay, so y'all see how that oil that came out of that lean ground beef? A lot of oil, okay? Some of it's water, but that's why you strain it. You don't want all that oil mixed in your food, clog your arteries. Okay, let's move on to the next step, you guys. Okay, so with our next step, what we're gonna do is that can of refried beans or bean dip, whichever you choose. You're gonna mix in with your ground beef. And in our taco seasoning. Okay, remember I gave y'all have a pack of taco seasoning if you're using 2 pounds. If you're using more than 2 pounds, then you know you should use 2 packs of taco seasoning. Okay. Garlic powder. That's a tablespoon and a half of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. And that Valentino seasoning with the lime flavor. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all this together. Like so. The seasoning in my pot. And I'm going to add me some water to it. I think that was about 5 pounds of ground beef I had, or 4. So I'm gonna use about 3 to 4 cups of water for the amount that I got. But make sure you mix that bean dip in that seasoning really good. Okay, everyone, so after you have your seasoning and your bean dip mixed in very well, get ready to go ahead and add your water in. And we are going to allow this to simmer, okay, for about 8 minutes, okay? You're going to allow that to simmer. You know, the same way you cook regular taco meat. The only difference is we add a little more seasoning and we added in the bean dip, okay? And that bean dip, refried beans. You can use refried beans or bean dip, y'all. It's going to add more flavor, a lot of flavor, okay? Just go ahead and let this simmer for 8 minutes. Okay, TK fam, I have all my first layer of chips down on my pan. Now I'm gonna put some of the meat mixture on the chip. Let's make sure we get meat on each chip, y'all. Taco Tuesday. Okay, so we're gonna layer some cheese and some beans on here. Just take your cheese blend, lay your cheese across like so, making sure that each chip get the same amount of flavor. Some beans, some meat. These are black beans, you guys. Here, okay? So go ahead and start layering it like you would a pizza, okay? And try to get your jalapenos on each chip, you guys. You know, like so. Everybody's gonna enjoy this. Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to finish up my last layer before I get ready to go ahead and toss it in the oven. Remember, this is 3 layers. These are kind of sort of like a party nacho. This is for my family. A family-like nacho style. Okay, you guys? And you layer each layer the exact same way. Okay, everyone, so our baked nacho tray is getting ready to go in the oven. It's going to be in here for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted, because that's basically what you're looking for, is for your cheese to be fully melted. I have it at 375, 15 minutes. And I'll be back, you guys, after the 15 minutes of baking for us to finish the rest of our baked nacho recipe. Taco Tuesday. Okay, everyone, so our baked nachos are out of the oven. So let's get ready to finish our topping. So what we're going to do is we are just going to sprinkle a small amount of the lettuce on top. If anyone wants more lettuce, once they get some nachos onto a plate, they are able to go ahead and add more. Okay, you guys? You just don't want to put too much on it, because y'all know the lettuce can and will fall off. Okay? Okay, so that's enough lettuce. And we are going to top it with the pico, which has tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. And remember, you can buy this at the store, you guys. Okay. And we're gonna go in with our sour cream, and like so. So I have my sour cream in a Ziploc bag because I had the container, I didn't have the squeezable. And I'm just gonna go across like this. Now, if you have you some avocado, cut you some up and place it on there, okay? And that, here we have our delicious baked nachos, cooking with TK style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Trust me, this is a delicious baked nacho recipe that you, your family, and your friends will all enjoy. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time Cooking with TK uploads a video. And if you hit that subscribe button already, welcome to the TK family. Peace. Have a great day.